Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Macarons Natashaskitchen, full guide. Whip 2 egg whites to glossy peaks, fold in sifted almond flour and powdered sugar with gentle macaronage, pipe 1-inch rounds, rest shells until a skin forms, then bake on a lined tray until feet appear. Use room temperature ingredients, weigh everything on a kitchen scale, and cool completely before filling to keep shells crisp and chewy. Mastering macaronage is the key to smooth, glossy shells and consistent feet. Fold batter until it flows like lava and drops in a slow ribbon, but stop before it becomes too runny. Avoid overmixing. Undermixed batter yields peaks and overmixed batter yields flat shells. Control oven temperature and use an oven thermometer, rotating trays halfway. Keep humidity low and rest shells for 20 to 40 minutes to form a proper skin. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like, it really helps. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They stay comfy during long baking sessions and save you trips to replace worn-out pairs. Check the description for the link and other deals, and pick up a pair if you want cozy baking days. Now let's get back to the video. Match a Natasha style. Fillings range from buttercream to chocolate ganache and fruit curd, so pick flavors that pair well with almond shells. Pipe 1 tsp of filling to avoid squishing shells together, then sandwich gently. Chill assembled macarons for at least 24 hours to mature flavors and texture, which improves taste. Store in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 3 days, or freeze for longer keeping quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.